everyone, my name is Nisa Fauzia and welcome to today's live report from IKIP Siliwangi. So right now I'm attending a public lecture on the 4 pillars of MPR RI. The event features inspiring speakers and provides students with an opportunity to learn more about citizenship, national values, and their role in contributing to society. So let's take a closer look and hear what participants have to say about today's event. Okay, so we have just listened to an insightful presentation about the 4 pillars of MPR RI, namely Pancasila, the 1945 Constitution or Undang Dasar 1945, the Unitary State of the Republic of Indonesia or NKRI, and also Bhinneka Tunggal Ika. So, the speaker emphasized the importance of understanding these values not only as theoretical concepts, but also as principles that can guide our actions and responsibilities as citizens. As young people and future leaders, we are encouraged to take an active role in contributing to society while preserving unity, diversity, and national identity. So, now let's hear directly from some of the participants and find out what they have learned from today's public lecture. Okay, so now we have a participant from today's event. Hello! Okay, before we begin, can you please introduce yourself?
Okay, sure. My name is Anggita Dimani. I'm as a delegate from KPM IKIP Siliwangi.
Okay, so how was your experience attending today's event?
Okay, this event is very great and then most inspiring because Prof. Atalia and Prof. Denny explain about the 4 pillar MPR in a way that was very easy to understand.
Okay, so which part of the lecture did you find the most interesting?
Okay, the part most interesting menurut saya when discussion linking about the 4 pillar MPR ini dengan keurgensian mahasiswa di zaman sekarang seperti demonstrasi dan juga krisis identitas.
So, did today's discussion change your perspective in any way?
Sure, because this event is very useful, and then the 4 pillar MPR ini bukan hanya teori, tetapi bisa menjadi guide for being a better citizen.
Okay, so would you recommend a similar academic event for the other student? And can you please explain why?
Tentu saja karena this event can open my mind, and then student can learn directly with the experts.
Okay, so thank you for sharing your thoughts and experiences. Okay, so now we have another participant. Hello.
Hi.
Can you introduce yourself?
Sure, I can. And hello, everyone. My name is Ayu Tania Putri, but you guys can call me Tania, and I'm from class A1 2024.
Okay, so Miss Tania, what motivated you to attend today's lecture?
What motivated me to attend this seminar gitu ya? The first is I see the presenter or yang akan menjelaskan atau sharing ke kita bareng-bareng gitu ya, Miss Atalia sama Mr. Denny gitu. Aku melihat gitu Mr. Atalia itu sangat memotivasi aku gitu, terutama di sosial media gitu, dan I see the information from this university, so I excited to attend this meeting.
Okay, so what is the most valuable lesson of today's lecture that you learned today?
So what I have learned today's seminar gitu. The first is a 4 column MPR RI gitu. I already know that because I haven't read it before. So the first is Pancasila, NKRI, Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, and the last is
Undang-undang dasar.
Yes, I forget Undang-Undang Dasar 1945. So it's not only about theory, not only about the lesson from the lecture maybe, but we should know and maybe we should share together because we as a student you should have more knowledge, not only from the internet, but I'm very glad to know, very glad to know that lesson from Miss Atalia and Mr. Denny.
Okay, so how do you think this lecture is relevant to students?
It's a very relevant it because in our university, like the lecturers haven't give this lesson. You know, the lecturers only give the material related to our major, like about English, right? We as a student in English education study program, that Miss Atalia and Mr. Radani give another lesson is about our country.
Yes.
It's about MPRRI. So I'm very delighted to hear to maybe to know that material. So it's very relevant because it can make me. It can jadi kayak bisa mendapatkan pengetahuan gitu selain pengetahuan dari kampus gitu.
Okay. So did today's discussion change your perspective in any way?
Especially yes, it can change our me or our perspective it because I can know that we as a student we should have dreams, but jadi kalau misalnya punya mimpi gitu kayak bagus gitu punya mimpi gitu, tetapi gitu sangat amat wajar gitu kalau misalnya kita tidak bisa langsung mendapatkan mimpi tersebut gitu, pasti ada tahapan-tahapan yang sulit yang harus dilalui gitu. Is and experience is very important too as a student, and not only following the lecture material, but maybe join the organizations or join the internship. Maybe it's very important, and it can change our perspective. It can change our future maybe if because our environment in this university.
Okay. So will you apply any of these values in your daily life?
I will maybe I already said to you about we can share this knowledge not only with our friends in real life in this university, but maybe we can share this knowledge to our online friends, and I will apply that not only this knowledge, but I will try to maybe read more. I have interest with this. Maybe after I graduate at this university, I try. I interested with politics maybe and the government if I have this opportunity.
Okay. So thank you for your thought and sharing about your experience. Thank you so much.
We are very glad.
Thank you so much, guys. Okay, so after speaking with several participants, we can see that today's public lecture has provided valuable knowledge and meaningful insight. The discussions not only help students better understand the 4 pillars of MPRRI, but also encourage them to reflect on their responsibilities as members of society and future leaders. I'm Nisa, reporting from IKIP Silawangi. Thank you for joining me today and see you in the next report.